Welcome. In front of me I have the Philips HOMERUN 2000 series, and to be more precise it's the XU2000/10. So I will go over unboxing along with just a quick look at the device itself. So let's just get straight into it. We do have a seal to cut through. There we go. Oh, I am gonna lay it down. There we go. So, here we have, let's see what we have here. Presume it's the, oh, that's manual, not what I expected. To be honest, no one cares about manuals. So, find it funny that every company just tries to be like, we're eco-friendly. Philips is like, nah, just put it in paper. But anyway, here we have the charger, or just power adapter for the station, so it can charge through this. Next, let's whip that out. I'm gonna set it to the side for the moment, like everything. And you can also see we have a little brush / cutting thing for when your brush for the vacuum gets tangled up with hair. Anyway, so here we get the, I presume, mop part. There we go, with a spare mop. Base station. And come on, what is it caught on? Oh, there we go. And the vacuum itself, with what I could describe as the cheapest protection for like the little bumper right here, and it's just cardboard. This literally feels like just a fix at fixing something that, you know, they run out of, I don't know, whatever they're supposed to put here. Now, let's see, we have a little container for the water and obviously the waste. And that's about everything that there is to this. Now flipping it over, quick look at the brush. So here's the brush itself. There we go. Put that back on. Yeah, that's about it. Not much to this. Now I want to point out that when going to the Philips website, they have absolutely zero mentions of this specific model, at least that I could find. So I have no way of knowing what it is actually capable of, and neither does the box provide any kind of useful information. On the box, if I can actually bring that up, we have great things like just images. That it sucks. That could be sarcasm too. And on the other side, there's no other info. So yeah, literally no info about the specifications of this device, how much suction power it has with the container. The only thing that I did find on the box, I think it was on the box. Yep, it is on the box, just to bring that up, is the right here, the runtime, which is 130 minutes. And that's about everything that there is in terms of info. So that's what I'm gonna keep. If Philips can't be bothered to give us information, then I would argue, why should I do the job for them? So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.